Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado toast with egg. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. Next, we'll toast your favorite bread to a beautiful golden crisp. Then, prepare the creamy avocado mash and cook your egg just the way you like it. Finally, we'll assemble everything for a truly satisfying and easy breakfast or brunch. Let's start by choosing your preferred bread. Sourdough or a hearty whole wheat works wonderfully. Toast it in a toaster or pan until it's golden brown and has a slight crispness, about 2 to 3 minutes. While that's toasting, take one ripe avocado, scoop out the flesh, and mash it thoroughly with a fork in a small bowl. Don't forget to season it with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper for optimal flavor. Now for the egg, you can choose your favorite style, whether it's a perfectly fried egg or a delicate poached one. For a simple fried egg, heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Crack in your egg and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the whites are fully set and the yolk is still a bit runny. Finish with a dash of salt and freshly ground black pepper. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Take your perfectly toasted bread and generously spread the creamy mashed avocado evenly across the surface. Next, carefully place your freshly cooked egg right on top of the avocado layer. For an extra kick and visual appeal, garnish with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes or some fresh chopped cilantro. Serve your delicious avocado toast immediately and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.